Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We are here at Wing Infinity. And this is the first serving of Only Wings. I think we're gonna keep more than one serving.
I think we're gonna eat more.
Stay tuned. Hi guys. So, tapos namin sa first serving. Medyo nangangamatay yung cheese ng unang serving.
Sorry.
Pero okay lang.
Look at the mountain. I mean,
We have fries and some lemon juice.
yeah, lemon.
Kaya ba to?
Ayan. Hindi pa rin hindi.
Magta-third ba? Third? Magta-third ka pa? Ako hindi na.
Baka. Hindi pa.
Guys, bye guys. Guys, so hanggang second serving lang kami. Pero kasi anong nangyari? Yung first serving, 4 each, 4 flavors, so hanggang 16 lang. Ngayon naging 6 each. Hindi 24. Ngayon yun. Siya kumain lahat ng spicy, ako kumain lahat ng Jack Daniels.
Ayun na ba kinain mo?
Pati nung soy sauce, original soy sauce.
Ilan?
Ayos lahat. Isa lang nakain mo eh. Thank you for watching. Ayun yung nangyari sa Only Wings namin ni Tashi.
Mamatay na ako sa busog.
Yung maglalakad ka pa.
Lalakad ka.
Bye guys.